Hi friends, this is Katie from the Parish Group here with another edition of the Slate 101 series. Today, we are going to learn about how to embed a portal onto your dashboard. We will open the selected portal under Database and then Portals, and this is a quick preview of what it looks like outside of being embedded. Click on Embed Portal and make sure that it is set to Allow Embedding, which will make a unique code appear below. Copy that code. Move to Reports, and then you'll likely need to start a new report. Place it into the folder System and the subfolder Home Page. That will make it show on your dashboard. Click on Edit Report, and then add a Data Chart option. I like to use System and then System to ensure fast loading times. Add a static content block, click into the source, and paste your embed code. And it will now show for your instance. So that brings us to looking at the final product, which is seeing the tabs on our Slate homepage. Using a portal gives us more control over the display, content, and different experiences for different users. It also means that we can make the rows clickable to a record. While we don't have time to cover the building of the portal today, I do want to say that there is a full write-up and suitcase available in the Slate community forums as a Get Inspired post. The Parish Group is a Slate Platinum partner, and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or call us at 828-505-3000.